Let's walk through how to create an event on virsitour. Start by clicking Create Event and fill out the following: event name, type of event description, start and end dates. Then click Create New Event. Once inside your event page, you'll work through each tab to build out your event details. Enter the event locations. List the cities or regions you're considering. Then add your attendee count and demographics to help suppliers understand your audience. Next, tell us who the event is for. Is this an internal event for your company, or is it for a client? If it's for a client, you can enter their details here. Now it's time to upload your agenda. You can either use the agenda builder or upload your own document, or do both. This is for the whole event. You can add specific agendas to your RFPs later. You can also add private notes for yourself. These are only visible to you and can be helpful for tracking preferences or reminders. That's everything you need to set up your event. The next step is sourcing. Each RFP you send will have sections specific to supplier types, like hotels, off-site venues, or event services. You can search for listings right from your event page, or open the sourcing view with all filters and supplier types. You can also choose your destination partners if they're listed, or tell us where to send the RFP if you'd like to include CVBs. Let us know if you'd like virsitour to help source for you as well. Once you're done, just click Update and Publish. Each category, hotels, venues, destinations, or services, has its own RFP builder. You're now ready to explore listings, filter results, and add suppliers to your existing event or RFPs. And remember, you can always start with sourcing and create an event from there too.